Former President Cory Aquino is grateful for the prayers for a quick recovery from colon cancer. Friends and allies all believe she can return to the pink of health and back to fighting for her cause. Marie Zumali on cue. Bishop Deogracia Zunigas believes former President Cory Aquino will win the battle against colon cancer because of her strong faith.
Pagtanggap ni Presidente Cory doon, I'm sure a part of her offering will be for the country. No? Kaya mas dahil sa kanyang Kristiyanong pagtanggap, and we admire her for her courage.
Archbishop Oscar Cruz admits that she will be missed in mass actions against the government. But if Malacanang thinks that her absence will eventually mollify the anti-Arroyo rallies,
her absence will be felt, but I think it is also a challenge for others to come out, those with clean hands, to join us and see if they could feel her big shoes, so to speak.
If there's someone who misses her a lot now, that would be ZTE scandal star witness June Lozada. In every protest and mass for truth, Aquino was almost always by his side. Lozada already knew of her condition even before last Monday's announcement. And despite feeling sorry that Mrs. Aquino has to take a break, Lozada says it has made him more determined to continue his endeavors so as not to fail her.
For me, there's really a lack of selflessness on her part na may sakit na pala siya, ako pa rin yung inalala niya na dapat daw palakasin ko loob ko para sa pamilya ko at sa bayan. So mas lalong pinangako ko sarili ko na I will not fail her.
Lozada, together with Aquino's friends and allies, offered mass for her recovery at her alma mater, St. Scholastica's College in Manila. Aquino spokeswoman Didi Sitangco said the former president is very grateful. Marie Zumali reporting on Q.